Hi, today we're just going to quickly go through the answers to lesson 1. A lot of people sending some really good answers, but I just wanted to check back in with everyone. So the first question was, why do we always say gravitational potential energy as opposed to just gravitational energy? Well, this is quite an interesting question, but one way of thinking about it is the energy hasn't really been realised yet. Think about a rock on top of a hill. It could fall down and turn that gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy, but it hasn't done that yet, and it might never do that. So it's sort of a thing that could happen. It has the potential to happen, and I think that's a good way of thinking about this potential. Now, if you think about the 4 different fields, we can have that in any of the fields. In fact, later on, when we talk about the inside of a nucleus, we're going to have strong force potential energy. When we think about energy levels of an atom, that's electrostatic potential energy or electromagnetic potential energy. Energy that it doesn't really have, but could if it changed space within a field. So that's how I like to think about it. It might be a good way for you to conceive of it. Iceberg, a lot of people got this right, well done. Yeah, iceberg is massive, cup of tea is very small, so even though each individual particle in the cup of tea has more energy, the iceberg overall, if you were to sum all the kinetic energies, all the particles in the iceberg, far, far more energy there. Also remember that if an iceberg's at, say, -4 degrees Celsius, is that the temperature scale we use in physics? No, well done, it's Kelvin. So -4 degrees C, that's 269 degrees Kelvin. That's actually quite a lot of temperature if you think about it carefully. Finally, the XKCD comic about the cards. First of all, if you're not reading XKCD, you've got time on your hands, there's some really good ideas in there, so I would recommend it. Yeah, I mean, you all pretty much got what I was going for here. You can't shuffle a deck of cards together and get 53 cards. Just as I said in my lesson, you can't get something for nothing. Just as a fun distraction, in the bottom of this video, I'm going to be posting links to some of my favourite perpetual motion machines on YouTube. Check them out, have a chortle.